Whoa.
Right here.
Hey, my mom broke her phone. I'm 11 years old, and I still wear diapers. Someone accused me from stealing their book. I stole it. I'm a cat, and you made me mad.
I'll come back.
I'm gonna punch myself in the face.